Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Oggie and I've got Loot Crate. Actually, I got a few different Loot Crate boxes, but this one is the basic Loot Crate, the lower priced one that they make. Got something sticking out of the end here. Alright, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button down below and ring that bell and we will get started. It's kind of light, but we will see. After the new year, they started to get better and now I'm not so sure, but let's find out. Should I cry or is it okay? Okay, we got something like kind of bigger. Here's a shirt. Jurassic Park shirt, of course. Last time was... Well, this is kind of original. It's licensed too. So we got Jurassic Park with the Dr. the guy that owned Jurassic Park and the truck, and then to there the T-Rex chasing them. Oh, Dr. Ian, what's his name? He was in, he's in so many movies. But he's doing his classic sexy pose there, which I guess is supposed to be him in the back of the truck from the first movie. Very cool. Next, see what this string is. Uh-oh, something on the bottom. And it is bag. Oh, is this Ghostbusters? It's got the gun, and it's got to be Ghostbusters. And it doesn't say on here anywhere? Nothing anywhere, but it's a little backpack bag. Good for going to cons and whatnot. So I have to save that. I'm going to go to the Salt Lake Comic-Con, which has been changed to another name because San Diego sued them, and long story. But I will be up there. Hopefully somebody besides me lives in that area. It's a 6-hour drive for me, but it's the closest I get to going to San Diego Comic-Con. I hope it's good. I hope I see people I know. Okay, next we have, cool, Godzilla. It's a Godzilla plushie from Funi. Very cool. I'm not a plushy kind of person, but I do have a new granddaughter. Maybe it'll go to her, maybe it'll go in a giveaway. I'm not sure. Oh, this is kind of disappointing, people. Plushie, a bag, and a shirt. An Avengers. Oh, that's kind of cool. Hulk, Bruce Banner. I think I need to take it out for you to see it best. It's Bruce Banner turning into the Hulk. Hopefully you guys can see it on the camera. If I do like this, I don't know. Okay, let me put that back in the bag. And the pin, which is from Jurassic Park. And I don't remember the name of the dinosaur that does this. Good imitation? I don't remember what those guys are called, but they were in the very first movie, at the end of the movie, where the guy that stole the egg or whatever it was and hit his truck into that tree, and he fell in the mud, and they ran into those beasts. So, kind of not my favorite loot crate, I gotta say that. June 2018, Colossal. They're big, no wait, huge, scratch that, massive. That's not quite either. Frankly, these characters are downright colossal. So we're celebrating earth-shaking awesomeness with a larger-than-life gear you just can't get anywhere else. This box was not colossal. Let's see, the shirt. Did like the shirt. Well, I'll go through each thing when we get there. We had the Jurassic Park t-shirt. Okay, so we have the shirt. Loot Crate Edition Godzilla plush. Godzilla fits a Colossal box. The plush is okay. Not a plushy kind of guy, but okay, we got the plush. An exclusive Ghostbusters drawstring backpack. Okay. Nothing fantastic about that. It's okay, but Loot Crate Edition Hulk lenticular print. That's kind of cool. Right here. And exclusive Jurassic Park Dilophosaurus. Dilophosaurus. Something like that. Okay, let's see. Mega Crate this month. 3 lucky winners will win the following Mega Crate valued at $500. Even the value of those has gone down. TCL 55-inch 4K ultra high definition Roku smart TV. That's pretty cool. Slideshow Thor Ragnarok Hulk statue. Okay. So 2 items in that crate. And then we have Do It for Deadpool. So we have a Deadpool crate. Can get 10% off with the Colossal 10 code. What do you guys think? It's not the most expensive crate. It used to only be $14.95. The price has gone up. I think it's more around $20 now. So it's, I don't know. Things weren't bad. There was nothing bad in this crate. It just, I don't know. They were okay. And if they're always just okay, because I could have gone to the store and bought some of this. I don't know if I would have bought any of it though. Nothing would have grabbed me to pull it off the shelf. Maybe this, maybe the shirt. I don't know, let me know what you guys thought. comments down below, thumbs up, thumbs down. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. You have a wonderful day.